can't go do nothing. It's so cute.
You can do it, girl.
That was a big one. Stop fighting!
Come on, you can do it. Hold it up. Hold it up. We're going to put this on Facebook and make you look crazy.
Yes.
Crazy on Facebook right now. Crazy bird lady on Facebook. I see it. The reports are going to be nuts.
Don't fight, don't fight, don't fight!
Come on, don't fight.
So you're doing good. Don't
Yeah.
cry. It's almost over. Worst part's done.
Whoa!
Me and the birdie. Whoa, right there.
That's normal for them to lose some feathers. And there's like a
Whoa!
lot of feathers like for a long time.
The parrot was on you. I wanted to see the parrot.
Well, he couldn't get on because he was too big.
So you gotta watch that. Parrots are usually pretty good. I mean, they don't go like, they usually don't get too crazy. Like, you usually don't see bald parrots.
You're in a bird cage with a lot of birds everywhere.
Oh, Lord. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
If it sounds funny, or sneeze like a lot. You've never seen
Get her, get her. Attack her, birds, attack her.
and you feel that, and you get an idea of what normal is. You get an idea of what hungry is.